Meaning of gospel music.
Gospel music.
Gospel music.
Gospel music.
Gospel music. Gospel music is a genre of Christian music that originated in African American churches in the early 20th century. It typically features lyrics that express Christian beliefs and values, often with an emphasis on salvation, redemption, and praise. The musical style of gospel music varies, but it often includes elements of blues, jazz, and R&B. Gospel music has become popular around the world and has influenced many other musical genres. In addition to religious significance, gospel music has been celebrated for its emotional power and expressive performances.